Hello there, my friends. This dash cam is going back because it doesn't work. This is the Aprilboy dash cam I bought off of Amazon. I'm going to show it to you right now. Yeah, so it's a shame, really, because this camera does everything that I want it to do except work. I mean, it's the right size. I could use a little bit larger one. It's got 3 cameras, which is cool. So when you plug it in, it's kind of unique because the third camera comes off of this power plug. It's attached to the power plug, which is not ideal, but it feeds through, and so I left it loose. So I was going to use it as like an interior cam for, like this is designed for like an Uber driver or something like that. So it records the the interior of the car, the cockpit, right? Or you could like have it set up so if you have a young driver, it's recording them so that you can show like they're not texting when they're driving in case something happens, so that you can prove like if you're driving, like you're paying attention to the road. And then also if you want to capture something crazy going on outside, which happens all the time, you're like, oh, I hope my dash cam caught that. You can like pan it back and forth, or your passenger can like pan it and be like, hey, look at that roadside attraction. Like I said, there's so many great things about this camera. It does so much great stuff. You can have 3 different views at the same time. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And what's happening is it just switches off for no reason while I'm driving. And that's super dangerous because it also serves as my rearview mirror while the display is on. And in order to get the display to be on and not have the reflection of the mirror on, it has to be like tilted a certain way. So when it goes off, you're looking at your back seat or your ceiling, and instead of like seeing what's behind you, and that's just dangerous and alarming. So it has to go back. So basically, we just got to put this thing back in the box. And if you guys are from Aprilboy by any chance, and you don't like this fact that I'm giving this honest review, send me another one and I'll review it. Like I said, I really wanted to love this camera. It just doesn't work. And if you're another company has a dash cam you want me to review, go ahead and send it to me as well, because I will do that. I love dash cams. I've been through a bunch of them. Unfortunately, a lot of them on Amazon don't work, and you got to send them back. But yeah, so like I said, I'd love to review your camera, but I'll give an honest review, and that's the thing. And for those of you who are watching, tell me which cameras you use, and maybe I'll buy one, and that will work for me. So I hope to see you on the next one. Hope you guys have a great day out there. Aprilboy dash cam. I'll see you. Take care.